Hi guys, I'm Phil, the director of Wild Rocky, which is a Mother's Day film that was made in 2026.
Alam mo ba ng kabataan nun? Nako, sobrang galaan nun.
Talaga, tito?
Nako, oo. Napakapasaway ng nanay mo.
So the film tackles on how a single mother raises a child and what happens during conflicts in a family with a single mother.
Sorry, tito.
Uy, huwag ka sa akin mag-sorry. Dapat, sa mama mo.
The film was actually made specially for the single mothers out there because I believe that they are incredible and they really deserve a story to be told.
Tinayo niya ang pagiging tatay at pagiging ina.
So in making the film, there were many factors that we had to consider. Unang-una is yung budget. So it's really more on a passion project of mine dahil single mother kasi yung mother ko. But syempre, the reality, kailangan mo ng pera sa pelikula and, well, I had it in collaboration with Thinking Out Loud Flower Shop and of course, the support of my friends. Madaming tumulong dito na mga kaibigan ko, to be honest. For budgeting, actually hindi ko kinocompute yung budget niya kasi alam ko masakit. So, for the actors, these are people na nagmo-modeling dito sa amin, mga kasama sa mga pageant. Tapos, syempre, yung production crew pa. For the locations, wala naman akong ginastos sa kanya. Help out ng Raptors Cafe. Then, yung owner ng Raptors Cafe, siya na rin nag-provide ng house na location. Then, yung Thinking Out Loud Flower Shop naman. And it was actually a 3-day shoot, But it was worth the investment. And after all, yun namang mga professional fees na napunta siya sa local creatives dito, in which I think is a good cost and a good investment.
Matagal na wala si ate. Tapos, pag-uwi niya, kasama ka na.
Target namin dito is really general audience. So, pwede siyang panoorin ng bata, pwede siyang panoorin ng magulang. So, it's really more on targeting a family. Pero a great factor kasi is yung script. Which is ako lang yung gumawa ng script. And I realized na kulang siya. With the sequence, okay siya. But hindi ko sobrang na-flesh out yung mga characters doon. But the good thing is, yung mga actors ko, sila na yung nagbigay ng karakter doon sa mga characters sa script. Then, syempre yung production time, nag-decide ako na i-push through yung film is 1 week before the Mother's Day. Tapos nagawa yung script parang 1 day before shooting. And we only had 3 days shoot. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And then Saturday was just for editing. Then Sunday po-post na siya. So talagang minadali siya. I think it can also be seen in the film.
Ikaw talaga? Halika nga dito.
On the first day, 2 p.m. kami nag-start ng setup. And nag-wrap up na kami ng 9 p.m. So that's actually like just 7 hours of shoot. Madaming eksena na kinulang ako sa light. The acting, some lines were cut off dahil ang hirap niyang i-execute and I was counting the time na. Tapos yung mga sumunod na araw, second day was only just 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Then the last day ng shoot, it was just 12:30 to 1:30. So 1 hour na lang. So parang hinayaan ko lang na wag ko silang bugbugin dito. Kasi yung 9 p.m. na uwi nila, I think, lalo na sa probinsya, is already late. Pero okay naman kasi siniksik ko talaga yung eksena. Like everything that's happening sa bahay, sa first day. Tapos yung mga trabaho ng mother sa second day. Then third day na yung sa flower shop. So ayun nga, dahil may kakolaborate ako ng flower shop, pinasok ko siya dun sa film na parang commercial talaga. So within the film may commercial. Din yung flower shop na scene. Which actually is, I think is good. Dahil pag may nakapanood ng film, they might get the interest din na pwede palang marketing to, no? So baka in the next film, pwede silang mag-support na, di ba?
Ma, once a year lang naman ang birthday. Ayoko ma-miss out.
Hindi ka ba masaya pag dito ka sa bahay? Yun, manood ka ng TV, manood ka ng comedy.
May mga linya na hindi na bato. Sa script kasi sabihin niya na mas masaya sa labas, parang ganun. But sa film, hindi niya nasabi. So, nung bumoto ng linya yung nanay, about masaya, hindi ka ba masaya sa bahay dito? parang hindi siya nag-connect. Then, ang dami eh. Yung lighting, hindi ko na perfect, especially with the transition, hindi ko na siya naayos. Tapos yung last scene, pambira, walang kabuhay-buhay yung ambient ng outdoor ko. Parang lahat nun, gutom na, kailangan ko na silang pauwiin. So, pinustro ko na siya ng ganun. So, those were the compromises.
Anak, huwag kang mag-alala ha. Gagawin ko lahat para mabigyan ka ng magandang kinabukasan.
Si Wild Rocky, naging si Rocky Terra.
Ang mahalaga is na protektahan ko yung essence pa rin ng story. Na ang nanay, gagawin niya lahat, mabuhay yung pamilya niya. Despite of not having a husband to provide, kung walang magpo-provide, she will provide. So, magdadalawang trabaho siya. And I think watching the film, makikita mo pa rin yun doon and ma-appreciate mo pa rin yung mga single mother out there. Yung narrative niya, siya talaga yung magdadala ng film mo. Thankful lang talaga ako sa mga actors na nalagyan nila ng character yung characters. Nagkaroon siya ng buhay and nagmukha siyang totoo. Yung casting ko, I think the casting, hindi ko na-expect. Na-push through or na-pull off namin yung pagtanda niya sa yung pagbata dahil yung bata or yung anak is on that middle age. And ayun, dahil sa kakulangan namin sa oras for setup ng production, I think it really affected the visual style din. Pero the framing was there naman. Kinulang lang din ako siguro sa mga angulo. There weren't any safety shots din. So hindi na ako nakapag-deliver ng 4K na video. Ginawa ko na lang siyang 1080 dahil I had to zoom in to cut away from the frame yung mga error namin. Problem ko lang is sana napanood yung pelikula hanggang dulo. Kasi pinalabas namin to sa social media. Overall, the output, siguro artistically, madaming kulang. But yung soul ng film, it has evolved to something better than I expected. And sa susunod na pelikula namin, bilisan ko lang din yung decision making ko kung gagawin ba tong pelikula to, gawin na. You know, sulat agad ng script, hanap agad ng cast. And sana, ito yung malaking bagay, sana makahanap ako ng magsusupport din sa amin sa pelikula financially. Dahil mabigat talaga siya. But it's an investment that I believe is worth investing. That's it. Thank you po sa pakikinig.